Brining takes your poultry to the next level, but it's very salty. So it's good to drain the excess brine. And use cold water to rinse. So I've dumped the brine and I've filled the bowl with clean, fresh, cold water just to rinse all these chicken thighs off. The meat has already absorbed the brine and anything on the exterior can be rinsed off. It's just going to be extra salty and combined with the rub could be overpowering. Next, I'll take these chicken thighs, pat them dry. You don't have to get super aggressive with it. You want a little bit of moisture on them, but dab off any extra water. Chicken thighs were brined, then rinsed off, and now they're seasoned on both sides with some Billy Bones barbecue rub. It's my favorite rub for chicken. Got the pit boss set at 300 degrees, using some hickory and cherry pellets in it. Normally I would set it on the smoke setting for a little while, but I'm gonna rush to get dinner done tonight, so I just cranked it to 300, and that's where I'll be cooking them. And I'm guessing they should be done within the hour. Now I got the smoker coming up to 300 degrees, and we're ready to throw these on. Chicken is fully cooked at 165 degrees. So chicken breast, you wanna pull immediately at 165 internal. Now dark meat, it's fully cooked at 165, but it actually benefits from being cooked longer. I'm gonna take these size to around 180 to 185 internal. The extra cooking helps allow the breakdown of connective tissue and fat. It allows the meat to create some more moisture, becomes more tender, and the fat is where the flavor's at. So if you let that render down, you're gonna have a very flavorful piece of meat. So we're getting some smoke flavor from the pellets, obviously, but also chicken's dripping onto the diffuser plate, and we're gonna get a lot of flavor from that too. So I've just been keeping an eye on these. That one's not quite done. That one's good. That one's good. That one's not done yet. Just pull them as they get done. These are all different sizes, so they're gonna take varying amounts of time. So like I said, the chicken thighs are extremely flavorful because of all the fat content, but also they're very tender. It just pulls apart. And I got the saltiness from the brine, the sweetness from the Billy Bones barbecue, got a little bit of smoke flavor from the pellet grill. It's just phenomenal. Highly recommend these. So good. Got a little bit of a crunch in there too. So I went to Silver Lake Sand Dunes for the first time last year, and in town there is a restaurant called the Frickin' Chicken Shack, and they advertised best wings ever. First of all, how can I not eat there with a name like that? And second of all, you know I'm gonna eat their wings and call their bluff, but they were literally the best wings I've ever had. Come to find out, they advertise that they sell their rub, and you know I bought some, but apparently they've always used Billy Bones barbecue, and recently they actually bought the company out, so now it's actually distributed through them, right out of Mears, Michigan. And I got this 28-ounce bottle for like 16 bucks.